It's cold. It's really cold today. It's that cold. It's too cold. I forgot my microphone on the camera, so that's probably why it sounds this bad. I'm at Hercules Candy. Craig is in there. Invited me over to, they're making candy canes today from scratch. So I think we're going to go in there and check it out. Well, I know we're going to go in there and check it out. So let's go check it out. Let's go find Craig. Craig's not here yet, but I'm in his office. And I just texted him. All right, we're gonna use his microphone. All right, let's plug the microphone in. Right about there. Can you hear me better? Is that better? Is it? Is it? All right, well, he said he would be here, but he's not here yet. So let's go check out what they're doing. I'll go around over here. Hey guys.
Chris, how's it going?
Hi.
How's it going? So you're making candy canes.
Yeah. Guess what flavor?
Pumpkin?
Orange.
Orange. That's why it smells like orange in here. Look at all these candy canes. And you got the heater on right there.
Yep.
So-
Keeping it warm.
So tell us how you're doing this.
So the heater keeps the candy soft, so it's pliable. And then I have to.
Do you do it with your hands like you do the taffy on that hook?
Yeah, we did the same thing. Yeah, on the hook. And then my gloves shine up the candy too, the cotton gloves. And then I twist it as I'm pulling it out.
You got those
a stick to
really
measure.
small scissors right there.
Yeah.
You ever see Venture in Canada?
No.
Kara with the hook. Kara's working here now. Any more Trader Joe's or?
Nope.
And then you're wrapping them?
Yep. Wrap them up, sealing them.
You got the heater to like,
Oh yeah.
the heater makes the wrapper, closes the wrapper?
Yeah, I'll show you. Just grab one, just hold it down on there for a little bit.
Bam.
There you go. Nice to
There
see.
you go, that's candy cane. I believe the cavemen used to make their candy canes on the campfire. You know what Craig said before he told me to come here tomorrow? He said, I'll be there.
Where is he?
He's at home. He's awake, but he's at
He's
home.
not here?
No, not yet.
But yeah, it's fun to have a warm piece of candy in your mouth.
All right, so Kara gave me a piece of the candy. She says it's fun to have a warm piece of candy in your mouth. It's pretty fun. I'm not a candy cane guy, but these are really good, and they're better warm. You can see the colors in these ones.
Yeah.
Look at how bright they are
Yeah.
compared to those ones.
They start to pastel.
He
Craig's
read
on
your
the-
text wrong.
Oh, what'd he say?
He thought you were coming at noon.
Oh, yeah, I said I was going to try, and then I said I was going to try earlier. He said either way he'd be here, but that wasn't true.
Yeah, he's got a lot of untruths to him.
It's okay, because you guys are here.
It's true. Candy cane making is happening.
I like that apron there.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Somebody
That's-
sent it to me from Swirled Expressions.
And that's so people can see you coming when you're running around the corner.
Well, it doesn't always work, but it's also good if I get color on me. Well,
no one
I didn't know
knows.
this might have just been a way to
color on the wall though.
He's finally here. There he
Finally
is.
showed up.
Craig's going to get some light up thing.
He made these things. So if you can,
So Matt Hoskins made these. Bam! Hercules Candies.
you see what it
Is
is?
that you?
Yeah, it's my mom. Actually, she
Fell into the wall. Your mom into the wall. And then Ma and Pa no egg.
And actually, so did you saw the footage, right? And you know, like,
Oh, what kind of lights are these? Because it's like doing the
they're
flicker.
LED.
Yeah.
So you can actually change the speed, the
Yeah.
color. You can change everything.
That's awesome.
Do you know what my mom actually said after she hit the wall?
What did she say after she hit the wall?
So it says, "You can see me," and then in quotes or parentheses it says, "Quote may not be 100% accurate."
Not accurate.
Nope.
But there was no sound in that video, was
No, but you could definitely see what she said.
there? Dominoes. We're heating up another batch. Sugar, corn syrup,
Water.
cream of tartar.
Yep.
And we're making peppermint.
Peppermint candy canes.
Let's see how hot Craig is. Damn!
I don't want any trouble.
Craig's only 77. You
Do that.
guys guess how hot this is? 268.
For those of you who can't take it,
The peppermint's really strong.
Oh my god.
It's like smelling salt. It'll wake you up. And he's stirring the cauldron. This is how Christmas is made.
this is how Christmas smells.
Yeah.
And we end up smelling like potpourri at the end of the day. We're doing orange, raspberry, and peppermint.
Is there Christmas potpourri?
Christmas potpourri.
Well, you really start smelling it.
I can smell it. This is dangerous.
Oh, you're gonna want to be on this side, so they're gonna be more.
Oh, sorry. Ooh, cleaning out the sinuses.
What's that? Sure. Come on in. You can actually stand right here if you want. Or if you want to get it from that end, it's okay if you come behind me.
So my grandpa found you guys on YouTube. That's why he wanted me to come get him candy.
Isn't it cute when old people use the World Wide Web?
Exactly. Yes. He wanted me to come to. He knew I go to Chicago, but I go to SU.
Right. It's only 5 miles away. So he watches our YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Okay, so that pot behind you is hot.
See my reflection.
It's candy glass. Don't be a candy glass. So we're gonna take this amber liquid and turn it into a candy cane. But we gotta do a few things first. Gonna mix this up. And I gotta color a little piece of this. Does anybody want a really red lollipop? No? Almost said a really lead lollipop. Strange? Strange how?
It's really sticky over here.
Yeah?
I don't know why.
You're not enjoying it? The key to making good candy cane stripes is making them small. So I just took out a little piece and colored it. If I took out a big piece, it could kind of blend in when we're mixing it up and make the whole thing kind of turn pinkish. But your grandpa could probably tell you that.
Right.
How big is that?
Two.
It can't weigh 100 pounds.
Yeah.
Wow. Please tell him to tell us where he gets it. I want to.
Yeah. It's sticky here. I don't
It's like
know
candy
why.
lava.
Yeah. Yeah, you see when we edible lamp this on the table, it looks way more like lava. You're making something really hot and something that's like temperature.
Is this gonna turn white like the other one?
That's the plan. If all goes well, that would be a yes. It will turn white.
Trying to contain the lava here.
Well, back in the day, I used to have to do the stripes by myself. And imagine if I was trying to do this by myself. Trying to wrestle with this blob and get the color mixed in. That would be quite a challenge.
It's like babysitting way too many kids.
Yeah, it's like having twins.
I just can't figure out why it's sticky.
I don't know. Maybe because it's Thursday. That's the droop test.
Too droopy that I can't catch it.
Thumbs up, subscribe, check out Craig's channel for more of these because he works there. All right, so those are vegan candy canes, but they're not available for, you can't order them because they'll break in transit at this point. So you have to come into Hercules Candy here in Syracuse, New York, if you want to check out the candy canes.
That's correct.
I guess that's it for this video. Very simple, quick, fun video here with Craig. Is there anything else coming up that I'd be able to check out? Like you guys eat ribbon candies and stuff like that?
Yeah, we just did peanut butter filled ribbon candy the other day. There's no food coloring actually in that one. It's just molasses. That's the only thing that like makes it brown.
Molasses.
We use just peanut butter and confectioner sugar, and I think we use Domino's for that. So again, it's
all vegan.
And I think you've talked about before how.
And I just checked out the coloring, the food coloring. It's vegan.
Yeah. And then we have open house this weekend where we're making more candy canes.
Open house this weekend. When will I post this?
So it's the 17th and the 24th. It's always the Saturday before and after Thanksgiving. So if you're seeing this and want to go next year, just go the Saturday before and after Thanksgiving and we'll be here.
You guys already know. That's how candy canes are made.